Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a dedicated map in My Maps or a saved list in the Maps app so everything stays separate. Once created, add one layer per category, work, clients, prospects, to keep filtering fast. Import a CSV or KML if you have many locations. If not, drop pins manually and populate address and notes. Make sure to name each layer clearly and set icons now, because consistent icons speed up scanning and later filtering. Once your pins exist, standardize labels and tags so search and filters behave predictably. You'll thank yourself later when you type one keyword and find everything. Then assign colored icons and custom markers to indicate priority or type. Visual contrast lets you parse maps quickly. Add descriptions with hours, contact info, and a photo attachment for recognition. Also, create saved lists for recurring trips, so you can pull them without rebuilding the map every time. To finish, configure sharing and access. Give view-only or editor rights to collaborators, and use specific people invites when needed. Once sharing is set, export a KML or CSV backup and schedule periodic exports so you can recover if something changes unexpectedly. If anything goes wrong, first check layer visibility and your signed-in account, then confirm sync is enabled. Finally, make small edits now to verify permissions and backups work, so your organized map stays reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.